Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Solo ReacTalk. This morning, I'm going to be reacting to Men in Black, the series, episode 7, season 2, the Sonic Boom Syndrome. Yes, if you guys want to check out my reactions to season 1 as well as season 2 episodes, remember that the reaction playlist card is going to be at the top right here. And let us start. 3, 2, 1, go.
How much time do we have, Slick?
About 2 minutes.
Hang on.
Hope this thing don't blow up in our faces.
Down here.
30 seconds.
This way. Bobo, sorry. It's right here.
What is that? It looks like a banana. Oh, it's a wedding ring. I didn't see the glowing, I think there was a diamond on top. Yeah, I saw the yellow part and it looked like a banana. But anyways.
She's a sight to behold.
So the ring was going to explode in 2 minutes? Why would you give your wife such a dangerous ring? Like,
You're the luckiest squad on Earth, Bobo.
Okay, we don't have to kiss the bride, do we?
hold on guys, hold on. It's a bit too loud on my side. Let me just put down the volume. Okay, let's continue. Whoa, I remember you, lady. I remember you. I forgot your name. I'm so sorry. But I remember you. Welcome back. Yes, yes. Oh, no more human suits now, huh? Oh, okay. That's cool too.
So you still got it bad for Astro, babe.
What makes you say that?
You're sporting your good black suit.
Aileen, what brings you to this part of town?
Aileen. Okay.
What K means is he's been counting the days till he set eyes on you again.
Jay, you're right, but you're too loud.
Transporting a perp. Had to stop and refuel for the trip home.
What Aileen means is she went 12 light years out of her way just to roll through and hang with you.
Got time for a cup of coffee?
What K means is
Got time for a cup of coffee?
space travel gives him the heebie-jeebies, so don't even think about asking.
What J means is he's worried I might kidnap his partner.
Maybe.
Don't blame you. K's a catch. But these days, I'm spoken for. J.
Whoa. Tall lady.
Meet Eidi.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Big Apple.
What Slick means is he no longer feels threatened by you.
Eidi, meet K, Earth's finest.
Aileen speaks well of you.
I'll fetch us some snacks for the trip.
I'll check on our prisoner.
Snacks sound good.
Be a gentleman and help Eidi out, Slick. Might learn something.
Kay's got a girlfriend.
He's a fighter and a lover.
Think they smooch?
Oh, please, I'm drinking here.
The perp's name is Auduzi.
The voice. Heard he can liquefy titanium with just one note.
High C. Leveled half a city back home. A waste of talent. Should be singing love songs.
So that's why this episode is called Sonic Boom Syndrome. Okay, this alien, this criminal, is able to use sonic biology or sonic technology. Okay. Ew, is it pregnant? Oh my gosh.
Been doing this long?
My first case.
A rookie. I was a rookie once myself.
Aileen's a legend back home on planet Arbus. I'm fortunate to be learning from the best.
I did pick up a thing or two from K. Of course, ain't no substitute for raw talent.
Don't worry, his bonds are secure.
Do I look worried?
Auduzi's voice can strip flesh from bones.
So it's biology. Ooh.
Ew.
Ah, gosh, it's giving birth.
Get back!
Wow. So it can produce the sonic sound from its chest, not just from its mouth. Wow. Why didn't you do this before? Why now? Shoot. I told you guys to shoot.
Jay!
Eidi!
You in one piece, Slick?
What?
Auduzi's gone.
It happens. I screwed up once or twice when I was a rookie. Right, Kay?
Can't hear you, Tiger. Might try taking your foot out of your mouth.
What I meant was,
I mean, honestly, there was nothing that they could do. Really, there's just nothing that they could have done in that moment. They did not know that this creature was able to produce sounds from its chest. It was a surprise attack. So really blaming the rookies or the other officers, the younger officers on this matter is just, it's not right. It's not right. They just did not know that that could happen. I don't even think Aileen knew that this creature was able to do that. Because if she did, then she would have also put a restraint on its chest. But she didn't.
there's no way you could have known he was going to sprout another mouth.
Exactly.
Come on.
The particulars do not matter. I failed in my duty.
You're too hard on yourself, Eidi.
I will not fail again.
Auduzi's gonna try and get off this planet.
We'll shake down the usuals. Start with Jeeves.
Best hit Frank, too. We'll be more efficient if we split into teams.
Boys with the boys, right?
No, Boys are the girls, and girls are the boys.
We'll see you at Jeeves.
Watch and learn. Yo, hold up. Not so fast. Got to get you hip to which one's the...
Jay, who's the Amazon?
Alien.
We're looking for Aldoozy.
His master's voice? What makes you think I've heard anything?
Frank, I'm thinking you're sure to pick up Aldoozy's vibe with your super sensitive dog hearing.
Catch this vibe. I only look like a dog.
Okay, Aileen, you must be here for the his and hers towel sale.
You're funny as ever, Jeeves.
Heard from a lowlife named Aldoozy?
Aldoozy.
The voice.
Rhymes with choice.
As in, you can choose to tell us what we want to know, or you can start growing another head now.
Whoa, hey, you gotta love that L train. Location, location.
That's no subway.
Wouldn't worry about the pug not talking. Jeeves' joints always jumping. See what I mean?
Wait, Agent J, where's your noisy cricket? Oh, it has a silencer on it. I forgot. Yeah, okay.
Hey, Aileen!
Go after him.
You could pop someone's eardrums that way.
Let's go! We can't take the LTD. Been driving long?
Not allowed to drive. Can't lose him again. I won't.
Okay, just don't touch. Yeah.
Everybody touches that button. Everybody.
Dude's bringing down the house!
Man, how did you guys capture Aldoozy the first time?
You totaled the LTD. I can't believe you totaled the LTD. Kay is gonna neuralize my butt. I tell you not to take the car, you wrecked the ride. You gotta learn to listen up when your senior officer speaks, girl. Yo, Eidi, it's all part of the gig. We'll take him down.
What happened, Slick?
Sir, I...
Did what she could. Aldoozy got away when I crashed the LTD.
Hope you enjoyed the ride. It was your last.
Do you know how hard it is to get parts for foreign cars? And why didn't you stop him? Don't you know he's not supposed to drive?
Zed, Eidi's new.
I'm talking to all four of you. This isn't just any felon on the loose. This is an earthquake waiting to happen. I want to know why he's still at large. I want to...
And now? What's going on? Agent L, what's that?
Gentlemen, ladies, the sonic nullifier. Interest piqued?
Oh, definitely. Oh, definitely, Agent L.
what are you blabbering on about, L?
Every type of sound possesses an innate resonant frequency. A siren, a cricket, the human voice. The sonic nullifier can ID any frequency and emit a wave of its exact opposite, effectively neutralizing the sound. Nifty, huh?
Very. And it's going to be the perfect weapon against Alduzi.
Kay and Aileen.
Sitting in the tree.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, we still gotta find him before we can shut his mouths.
That's why with your purchase of the sonic nullifier, you also receive this frequency tracker.
It slices, it dices.
It tracks frequencies. I've got it calibrated for Aduzi's voice.
So there's a catch. He's got to say ah first.
Just a peep.
El, you're with Kay and Aileen on this one.
Far out.
Take the gremlin while the LTD is in the shop.
Seriously, you guys only have one LTD? Seriously. I mean, there's so many other agents. Why don't they also have LTDs? You guys have an entire fortress underground. You have resources, you have technology, and you can only produce one LTD? Embarrassing.
Don't think all 5 of us will fit in that clown car. You go on ahead.
No, Eidi stays here with you. Aduzi's looking to leave Earth. I need you both to research potential launch sites in the event L's accoutrements fail.
Not gonna happen. But
No buts.
Jay needs your help.
I don't believe this. A dozen launch sites on the Upper East Side alone. How's Zed expect us to figure out where Alduzi's gonna catch an interstellar bus?
He doesn't. He's keeping us out of the way. Out of trouble.
Well, that troubles me. We should be checking out the dives, talking to the lowlights. Whoa, the Apollo Theater is a launch pad? Wonder if James Brown knew about this. Ever groove to the Godfather of Soul, Eidi?
Eidi's gone.
Eidi.
Password.
Open says me. I'm MIB.
Yeah, come on, man. The suit makes the customers nervous.
Yeah. Oh, there's Eidi's suit.
Yo. Now, if you told me which alien lowlife dive you were going to stake out, might have saved me a little time.
Jay?
Listen to me good this time. I know how bad you want Alduzi. But as long as Kay's filling up Aileen's dance card, I'm your partner. You know what I'm saying? Now, you got to stop taking the show on the road solo.
I'm not interested in doing this alone, Jay. I just don't want to make you look bad anymore.
Well, don't you worry about that, okay? It's hard for me to look anything but good when I'm not wearing one of these. Now, we straight? Kay's somehow different when Aileen's around. Little things. How he ties his tie. The way his jaw isn't clenched so tight.
Aileen gave her human suit a mud pack treatment before we got here.
No. Steam clean the pores and all?
And not that you'd noticed, but when Kay's around, the follicles on her tendrils quiver.
Word!
A doozy won't show.
Chill. Stakeouts aren't exactly an exact science.
What'll it be?
Huh?
I said, what'll it be?
Come again? What's a big-eared guy like you doing needing a hearing aid? What business is it of yours? MIB business of mine.
Kay.
It's Jay. Alduzi's heading for the planetarium. It's a launch site. Live one.
That's my partner. How'd you find out, kid?
He had help. Long story. We'll meet you there.
Haven't seen a flying planetarium yet.
Good sign.
We got a bite.
Oh gosh. I don't get it, L02Z. Why don't you just destroy them? Why don't you just destroy their bodies? You can do that. Why entrap them? You're not a very good criminal, are you?
I think he means off with our heads.
Hey, what the? Yo! Put a cork in it. Huh?
Pop that cork.
He's getting away.
I like the fact that he can fly with the sound wave like that, you know. He just pushes onto the ground and I'm gone. That's nice.
Take the car, Ace. Keys are in the ignition.
Eidi, it's up to you.
We'll take care of it.
Works for me. Buckle up. Time for overdrive.
I don't think there's an overdrive in this car.
Where's the button? Hey, this is a regular gremlin.
Destination locked.
Yo, boombox. Flight's canceled.
Wait, why did you switch it off?
What are you doing?
Plug your ears. Loose lips sink ships.
Oh. I was like, whoops.
I'm staying without Doozy.
Whoa, no way! You're coming with me!
Something must have popped. Can't hear you. Hey!
Eidi! You go, girl! Didn't I tell you we take him down?
Nah, that's better. That is better.
Never know where a coffee break with you is gonna lead, Kay.
Wild weekend.
We'll do it again.
It's been real. Send me a postcard. Not that I want to pick out curtains with you or anything.
Goodbye, Jay. If you ever decide to come visit Arbus, I'll let you crash Aileen's car. Promise.
I actually want to see that, you know. I actually want to see Agent K and Agent J, heading off to an alien world. Just like Aileen and Eidi, they've come to Earth. You know, I want to see something like that happen. Yeah. They need to get to Orbis one of these days, definitely. Hopefully, like in the later seasons, they get to do something like that.
Eidi's gonna make a good cop. Mm-hmm. Bad driver, though. They're still buffing the dings out of the LTD.
Yo, hold up. You knew all along?
Maybe.
So you let me drive the LTD when it gets out of the shop, right?
Elle must have activated her sonic nullifier.
Oh, please.
Your lips are moving, but I don't hear a word.
Alright guys, that's it with episode 7 of season 2 of the Men in Black series, the Sonic Boom Syndrome. This alien, this Alduzi alien is extremely powerful. Really, their ability to create sonic waves from their mouths, multiple mouths, not just the one on top but also the one on the bottom, or should I say on the stomach area or the chest area, that's amazing. I'm still just wondering, how did they capture this alien the first time? How did they capture this alien the first time? Because it must have been extremely difficult. And the fact that the Alduzi, kept its second mouth a secret for such a long time. Really. I'm just curious to find out how they captured it the first time. Seeing Eidi and Aileen, or should I say Aileen first, seeing her again, it's been good. And now with her partner Eidi, one of these days they gotta go on like a double date. Although I don't know if Agent J likes Eidi that way. More like a colleague, nothing really romantic in any sort of way. But definitely when Aileen and Agent K are on a date, maybe they gotta be the +2 in this date, this hypothetical date that might happen one of these days. It was good to see them all. And hopefully, like I stated before, hopefully one of these days we get to see Agent J and Agent K actually leaving Earth and heading over to a new alien world and solving cases with Aileen and Eidi. I want to see that happen. Hopefully in season 3, 4 they get to do something like that. Because staying on Earth is cool, it's good, but come on, for the rest of our lives we're going to be staying in New York. In New York, on Earth, really? Is there nowhere else we could go to in the MIB universe? Hopefully we get to see that happen. And the fact that they only have one LTD, that's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. An organization that's well funded like this one, and they only have one LTD? No, I can't accept that. I think in the movies, I should say, we did see multiple LTDs, right? Or maybe I'm wrong about that. I don't know. I know that Agent L has her levitating motorcycle. That's about it. Is it a motorcycle or a scooter? I can't remember. But she has a levitating vehicle in her possession. That's as far as I get with in terms of mobility when it involves the Men in Black organization. But definitely, it's embarrassing to find out that they only have one LTD. Really. Okay, alright guys, that's it for today's episode. Remember, if you want to check out my previous reaction to Season 1 and Season 2 episodes of Men in Black the series, the playlist card is going to be at the top. If you like my reaction, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell if you want to be up to date with my latest videos. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Okay?